Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. In this video, we will check together Bitcoin. The daily Bitcoin update is here. What's going on with Bitcoin? We have a lot of patterns. We have a cup and handle. We have a triangle. We have an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, and brand new now we have a diamond. What's going on here with Bitcoin? What pattern will play out? Will we see 67,000? Will we see 71,000? Will we see 27,000? What's going on? Guys, we will check it now here together in this video. Here is the coin market cap. You can see Bitcoin is momently going up a little bit, 1% in 24 hours. You can see in 7 days Bitcoin is going up also with 4%. We have a nice green chart here. Ethereum is going up a little bit, not so good as Bitcoin, and on the 7 days only with 2%, Bitcoin is going up with 4%, so momently it's trading better with Bitcoin as with Ethereum. Binance Coin is going down a little bit, 1% in the day, 5% in the weekly. Look at ADA. ADA pumped yesterday, today it's going down with 13%, that's a lot, but in the weekly ADA is in a plus about 16%. So Polkadot is going up a little bit, XRP is going up a little bit, Uniswap is going down a bit, Litecoin is going down a bit. Chainlink is going up a bit and Bitcoin Cash is going up a bit. XLM is going down a bit, okay, not so good. The Luna is going up, but look at this at the weekly. Luna is exploding momently with 70% in the weekly, 13% on the daily. What coin is for the daily for 24 hours the best performing coin? We will see it now. I hope so. If my internet will work. Yes, this is the baddest coin. Oh god, ADA was the baddest coin. I saw it. Damn. Here, the best performing coin for 24 hours is PandyX with 38%. Look on 7 days chart. It's unbelievable. 110%. Unbelievable. Harmony One exploding. The weekly chart 136%. Oh my god. Today 37%. Damn, that's awesome. And the loser of all coins here on the 24 hours is ADA. ADA is going down today. I will make a special ADA video a little bit later. We will check it. What's going on with ADA, why it's going down. Look at Mana. Mana also going down 5%. Okay. So next thing, guys, the market cap. We will check the market cap and we will check the Bitcoin dominance. That's the very, very important point here. Bitcoin dominance momently on 69%. You can see it here on the upside. My internet is really fast today. I see it. It's extremely working here. Okay, we will check now before we are going on here the fear and greed. What's going on with the fear and greed? Today we have greed with 71 points. Yesterday greed 72 points. Last week 70 points. And last month extreme greed was here in the market with 95 points. So take a look back here. Yes, here it is. The percentage of total market capitalization, the dominance. And this is for all we are watching for the last 7 days. So what's going on for the last 7 days here? That's a not very nice looking thing here. I have to say it's not so good. Let's check all. Is this better? Okay, maybe it's better. So here on the last thing here, you can see it of 1 year. It's better. I think, yes, it's really better. You can see the dominance of Bitcoin is growing. It's really growing. You see it here from 60%, 60.2 now to 61.5%. If the Bitcoin dominance is growing, guys, you know, altcoins are going to the downside. And you see it here on this point here. These are the other altcoins. This dark blue line is Ethereum. Ethereum dominance is going down. So also it's not so good momently to trade Ethereum. Why? You can see it. We have Ethereum 11.8% and you can see it here 12%. So it's going to the downside. It's better to trade Bitcoin momently as the most altcoins. I have to say the most altcoins because look at others. On others, altcoins are not the top 10. So the other coins here. And you saw, guys, we have exploding altcoins. But these altcoins are mostly, I say mostly, pump and dump coins. So, for all in all, Bitcoin dominance is growing here a little bit. The altcoins are going down a little bit. Okay, guys, let's see what is here going on with our trading view, technically analyze, big time frame. The big time frame is telling us strong buy that Bitcoin and everything is fine, it's mooning. The 4 hours time frame is telling us strong buy that Bitcoin. 1 hour is telling us buy, damn buy that Bitcoin. 15 minutes also telling us strong buy. So everything now here is telling us buy that damn Bitcoin. Okay, but now we're going deeper. We're going deeper to TA. We're going deeper. Here is my live stream. Here is my live stream. Bitcoin trading informant live on Twitch and YouTube. 24 hours, 7 days a week. I am live here with this channel. Live chat with every guy here on the world. A lot of nice guys here and a lot of interesting things here. You are watching here to the 15-minute charts on the right side. You're watching here on the 1 hour chart. Here on the downside, the 4 hour chart. Yes, my internet is not so good, so you have not the best quality here to watch. You see live the 15-minute TA, strong buy now or sell. You see total buy and sell. You see other coins, how they are acting. You see Ethereum is green, ADA is dark red here. You can see this all in a quick overview. On the down left side, you see how many Bitcoins momently are bought or sold or something like this. And here is the live chat. And now we have a nice quality. We have buy and sell signals. We have long and short signals. We have the ribbon band. We have the Fibonacci. Here is everything you need on this live stream. If you are trading Bitcoin or altcoins, this site is the important site ever, guys. Watch Bitcoin trading informant on Twitch TV or on YouTube live 24 hours, 7 days a week. A really nice chat. Join us here, please. I have so much, guys. This weekly top cheerer here are the extreme supporting guys ever, the extremest guys ever. Thank you so much. I have to tell the names here. Xavier, Platz, place number 1. Neddy, place number 2, thank you very much. Troll, place number 3, these are the top 3, thank you so much. Empire from place 4, Matt Matthew, place 5, place 6, Cycloxide, Cycloxide, place 7, Angry Higgins, place 8 is the Privateer, and place number 9 is Crypto Sharknado. Guys, thank you so much for your support. The top spender here of gifts, look at this, Mirko Buck is spending 9 subs here for every guy here is online. He is spending this 11 subs here. It's amazing. Thank you so much. And Empire is spending also 1 sub. Thank you guys for your big support. Also thank you, big thank you to all they are spending me per PayPal, per Bitcoin, per Ethereum, what else. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I need you here so much. Without you guys, there's no Biti, there's no Bitcoin trading informant, and I would like to say thank you again. So now here we are. Everything is watching and everything is waiting for this. This is the big TA, the magic TA from Biti. No, okay, guys, seriously. Now this is the 1 hour chart. This is the 1 hour chart from yesterday. Yesterday, you saw this on my channel or on my videos, this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, the breakout to the upside, the long signal. Here you had to buy, here you should buy on the long signal. Here you see now this ribbon band, the green ribbon band is going to the upside. Yes, it spiked under it again, very dangerous. A lot of guys are have closed here this position of the long signal, okay, and they are losing money. If you set the stop loss under this is even that point I'm making very often. Set a stop loss under this trend line. I also closed my long position here. My stop loss also closed me out here. This is the thing why when the big whales are fishing for us for our stop losses. That's the problem if you are making stop losses. But I'm one guy. I'm mostly to 90% making a stop loss. And that's the point. You can see it here. Yes, my stop loss sold me my Bitcoin trade here yesterday, and that was a damn thing here. Okay, but that's so. Now it's going to the upside. Now it's breaking the downtrend, and now I'm not in the trade momently on this long-term trade. But guys, that's happening. That's happening very often. You have to know, guys, we need 6 good trades. If we are trading 10, if you are trading 10 things, we need 6 positive trades. 7 are better, 8 are better, it's sure, but we need 6 one. And that was one point here. I lost also here my I closed also here my long position. So okay, guys, but now we are breaking out from this bearish downtrend here. You can see the red bearish downtrend, and we are breaking out now with this candle over this downtrend. That means this candle has now time, 30 minutes, to close over this candle. If not, this is a fake out like this here. You can see it. This was also here a fake out, and maybe a lot of guys bought here for this fake out. You can see it, and it's going down again, so they lost money. We need always a confirmed closing candle, and you can see it if you're zooming in a little bit. We have a closed candle, guys. It's okay. It's very clear to see here. This candle here, this green candle, closed over this bearish downtrend line, and this next candle here is now piling up to the upside. That's a very bullish thing for a breakout, and that's a very good point here to go in. We may see a retest of the downtrend and then a breakout. You know, guys, we have still a target. We have still the big target here on the downside with 61,000. This is only the 1 hour chart. So I would like to show you something today, guys. We have a lot of things to watch, and I will show you a lot of things today. So sorry, this would be a longer video because a lot of things to watch here. On the downside, MACD, blue line over the brown line, bullish. That's a nice sign here for this breakout. Now we need volume. We need more growing candles here. You can see it here. These little green candles are piling up more and more. A good sign, but we need now volume. For the next thing, this is the inverse shoulder head. Shoulder pattern, we have a breakout target about 61,000. That's still okay. That's still working here, our big target for this breakout. The next thing, guys, very important. If we are zooming out now a little bit, like this here, we have now a lot of interesting things I would like to show you. We will take the 4 hour chart for this one here. 4 hour chart, MACD, bullish, everything is fine, everything is working. I am deleting now these lines here, these drawings. That's all too much. We are turning off the ribbon band. Now we have here a clear view to our chart. And I would like to show you now some things here. They are very interesting in my opinion. On the 1 hour chart, we can draw some trend lines here. We can draw a trend line from the upper side here to the lower side, like this here. I will make the trend lines in yellow so we can see maybe some patterns here. We can make a trend line from the upper side to the lower side here, also to the downside. We can make a trend line here from the downside here over this point to the upside, and we can make a next trend line here from the downside to this point here, like this here. So what are we watching now, guys? You can see it here. This is a diamond pattern. What is a diamond pattern? I would like to show you this very soon. That's the first thing we are watching here, guys. We are also watching here a triangle pattern. That's the next thing, but one step after another step. Now we are here in this nice drawings with this trend lines. Let's zoom out to the 4 hour chart, and we are making our uptrend channel now. Because the uptrend channel, you know, guys, very important for us. Here a line from here to here, that's the uptrend channel. Here a line from the downside to here, that's the bottom line of the downtrend channel. And now we are here perfectly in this nice working rising wedge or parallel channel or what else. Now let's zoom in more. We have a diamond pattern. Okay, this is the diamond pattern, and you know that's very important. We have a target for a breakout. Momently, you can see Bitcoin is momently nicely going to the upside here to this line here of the diamond pattern. That's momently our red line, our resistance line. But for the diamond pattern, I use this color yellow. Now we have the start here of this rising, the start of this pumping Bitcoin here was at this point. So we draw a line from here to the upside, or maybe to this point. Let me check that very quick, guys. So okay, this point here, this is our technical point here. This is our line. This is our upgoing line here to the start of this diamond pattern. If we take this line here to the upside, zooming out a little bit, and let's go on a little bit, we have maybe if we are breaking out of the diamond pattern at this point, we have a nice point here to watch. We make this line longer, and you can see it, guys. It's very nicely here coming to our line here to the upside. And yes, we have a target here. If this diamond will break out to the upside, that's about 71,000. We spoke a lot time of 71,000, and that's also here the next point. If this diamond pattern will break out to the upside, this is our technical target of the diamond pattern. The same thing is, guys, if we are breaking out to the downside, we have also a target to the downside. But you know, very important, this is our resistance. The resistance line here on the downside is this line, this green support line, not a resistance, sorry, support line. And if we are breaking out to the downside, in my opinion, it's very, very clear to reach this point, 54,000 at the moment. It depends always where we will hit this line. That's very important. But maybe at this point. So if we are going down with this, we have a technical target for this downgoing parallel, for this downgoing diamond pattern. Also, we can make a try to draw this one, because the diamond pattern has the point. Let me check it now. That's like this here, the start point, as I showed you, the starting point here of the diamond pattern. This is the lowest point here from the downside, this point here. So we can draw a line here to this side, and that's the start point of our diamond pattern. And we have a price level here on the downside. Let me show you like this here on 43,000. So it's possible, guys. It's very possible, or it's very interesting to see here this diamond pattern. It may break out to the upside, target 71,000. It may break down to the downside, target 43,000. It's possible. It's very possible, guys. The next thing we have to watch is this. If this is not a triangle pattern, it looks very similar, but we can check one thing here. We can erase these lines, and so you see this is a triangle. This is a typical triangle, and also a triangle has a target for a breakout. We can make a line from the downside to the upside, and we can make it here like this. If we are breaking the triangle to the downside, we have also a possible target here to the downside, about 49,000. And if we are breaking up to the upside, we have a target. Let me show you. If we are breaking out here to the upside, or maybe if we are breaking out here to the upside, I can't say it where we break out, but that's also possible to see a target here on this point, like 67,000. So guys, it depends on what pattern it is. Is it a diamond pattern? We have a higher target. Is it a triangle? We have a lower target. But guys, we need to be prepared for the breakout. A good point for a short position is maybe now here on this upper line, on this side here of the triangle, on the upper side. Why? Because you can set a stop loss over this line, and you can set a sell or a short position here on this point. A good entry for a buy or a long position is if we are coming down again. What I'm drawing here, if we are coming down again to this point here, that's maybe a good point for a buy position. Why? You can set a stop loss under this line, and you can take the train to the upside from here. So we have now two interesting points. If you would like to short Bitcoin, maybe this is not a bad position here on 59,000 to short it. And if you would like to go long here, it may be on 56,400, 500, a good point to go long here. Because it doesn't matter if this is a triangle or a diamond pattern, it will break out to a side. And on this breakout, we will make our big thing here, our big trade. So buy position on the downside or short position on the upside of the triangle. I know a lot of guys are trading the breakout. It's also possible to trade the breakout, but you make more profit, guys, if you are set your position on the line here or here. If we trade the breakout, I can show you something. So if this is a triangle, oh God, what have you done here, Biti? So if this is a triangle, and we have a breakout to the upside target at 67,000 maybe, we can set a long position here. If we have a confirmed breakout to the upside, we will buy it maybe here on this point. So if we are breaking on this point, maybe at the price about 60,000, we have a nice target to the upside, and we will make a profit about 7,600 if we are trading this breakout to the upside. So you can see we make 12% with our trade, very nice. If we are making our long position on the downside of the triangle here, and it's breaking up to the upside, it's clear to see we have more profit, so we can make 20% profit. We can make 11,000 US dollar and not only 7,000 US dollar per Bitcoin. So that's the important thing. You can set your buy point on the downside. I always like to set it on the downside. If you miss it, you can also set it on a breakout. But the best place for a buy position is always, in my opinion, the downside of a triangle. That's this big thing. We have triangle pattern, we have diamond pattern, we have inverse shoulder hand shoulder pattern. We have so much pattern here to trade. It's incredible, guys. So this video is really too long now. On the short term, let's check the short term. Let's check the 15-minute charts. Let's watch it here on my live stream. Let's watch the 15-minute chart here. Sorry, that's the second live stream. That's Crypto Trading Informant. Very nice channel with 9 of the biggest cryptos. But we need to watch now here the Bitcoin Trading Informant, my channel. And I would like to show you here something very, very quick. If internet will work here a little bit, I hope so. So what's going on here? Bitcoin Trading Informant, Twitch TV. Let's load it up. Here it is. No, here it is not. So now we are here back again on my live stream. You can see here the 15-minute chart here on this side, and you can see here this yellow dot lines here. This is the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci is so important for trading. I will show you here on the short term now what's going on with the Fibonacci. Let's go back here to Bitcoin. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart and let's check it here. You can make a Fibonacci line always from the highest point here. So momentarily we have a retracement, we have the highest point, and Bitcoin has a retracement to the downside. And if this happens, we can make the very nice Fibonacci line here, the Fibonacci line from the highest point here, on this point, that's the starting point, to the lowest point here, on this point, that's the deepest point of this retracement. And now you can see a beautiful colorful drawing here, and these are our Fibonacci lines. Momently we are working here with Bitcoin over the 61.8% Fibonacci line and under the very, very important 78.6 Fibonacci line. You can see the price targets here also. 60,000 is the big price target to the upside, and our support line momently is the 61.8%, 58,500 Fibonacci line. These Fibonacci lines are very, very, very important for short-term trading here. If you are trading on short time frames, this is very, very important. We can also draw now an uptrend channel, a parallel channel from the downside like this here to the upside like this here. And we have now our uptrend channel. We are making it here more green, so you can see this is our uptrend channel where we are working in. And you can see also we have here a middle line, and the middle line is very, very important. Why? Because it's a resistance, and you can see Bitcoin is reacting perfectly here on this resistance, and it's going down again a little bit. So this middle line is always a very, very nice thing to identify your next resistance. If Bitcoin is going to the upside, you can see it. Oh God, here is a resistance. Maybe I take profit here. If you bought here on the downside on 38%, this was a perfect buy point at 56,000. So if Bitcoin is going down to this here, watch at the Fibonacci lines, watch at 56,000 if you are trading on the short term on 50-minute chart, and make a buy position here or buy Bitcoin here over Binance. You can make very, very nice buy positions or stop loss positions, and you can see it if it's going to the upside, and you can see this maybe the 61.8% Fibonacci line. You can also set a stop loss or a take profit here, and you can take the win of this nice trade here from the Fibonacci's from the downside to the upside. That's very, very important. So for your own guys, it's important if you are trading, watch my channel. I will give you all my information there I have. Guys, thank you very, very much for watching this very long video. I wish you the best of luck, and it doesn't matter if you're going long or if you're going short, guys. I wish you make millions out there. Very, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I only can give you all my knowledge I have, and I wish you the best of luck with trading. I hope we see us in my live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Bye bye, greetings to my great community out there, and have a nice time. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.